So, I said I wasn't gonna do a prison ramen burrito, but guess what happened? My kids went to school, and I just ran to the store and back, so we can go to pretend prison. Got Cheetos, Doritos. Normally they're, what do you call it? Flamin' hot, but we're not gonna do Flamin' hot today. No. Got a little bit of water going. It's yakisoba, so bear with me on this, prison people. I know you're purists about how things were done in the Husgau, but you know, I got what I gotta do. I gotta do with what I got so I can make it. If that makes any sense to you, you may call yourself a pretty winner, a beautiful champion, and a wonder of the Western world. Okay, so let's take some yakisoba. Get about a little clump of it. Drop it in the pot. Drop it like it's hot. And then set that aside. Then I already smashed up the Cheetos. Oh God, I should have used the other pot. I already crushed up the Doritos. Oh, I really should have used the other pot. And now we mix. Where's my fork? I had a fork. Oh, it's in the yakisoba pile. It's literally a large pile of food. And that's what this will be too. It's just gotta get wet. You just gotta get it just wet enough. So it's kind of mushy. And once it does that, oh boy. Yeah, you need a little bit more liquid. I don't know how yakisoba it's gonna taste, but this should be a prison ramen yakisoba-rito thing. I'm gonna give it a little more water. You don't want it too watery, but you want it enough so it's something that'll suck, or the stuff will suck it up. Hey! On this blessed day of the 4,000th review, I'm listening to old Stumpy from North Little Rock play Diablo 2 in my Bluetooth right now. You can't hear him, but I can hear Deckard Cain in the background going, hey! You have quite a treasure there in that heraldric cube. I need a metal headpiece. You'd better hurry. Oh! Bring me a can of Spam. Oh, shit. Okay. A touch more liquid, and I think we're golden. There we go. That's a touch. A gentle touching of liquid. By the way, you're probably watching this a little in the future, but you hear about R. Kelly? I didn't think he could fly. And apparently he couldn't. So. Ah, that's the scent I know. So when the Doritos get all engorged and wet and slappy-dappy, they kind of let off kind of like a corn tortilla smell. It's logical, right? Well, when they do that, it smells like some kind of burrito concoction. More like an enchilada, honestly, I think. Yeah. Okay. Here we go. We just dump this in here without making an incredibly large mess. I'm trying to keep it not too messy today. No, I need a spoon. I need a big, big spoon. Those butter tongs. That's not gonna work. That's not gonna work. I'll use a dispatula. Or how about we just use this ladle? I think that'll work best. Okay. Here's our ladle. Get all of that delicious, healthy goodness out of the bottom of the bowl. So people are gonna like totally get mad because they're like, dude, you're using a Ziploc. You're supposed to be using a trash bag and you're not doing this right. Okay, so in prison, and I'm gonna be like, dude, I'm not going to prison to go to culinary school. So I'm sorry, but that's just not my thing. I don't think it was probably your thing either, dude who's complaining about how I made my prison ramen style burrito. I will admit, first off, that I can't make a prison ramen burrito compared to somebody with the authenticity of someone who went to prison and made them, I guess, on a daily basis. I'm really hard pressed to think that there were anybody who wanted to make these things on a daily basis because they're really not that good. You know? I'd rather just eat Cheetos and Doritos and what do they do? Play spades and do push-ups? Isn't that what prison's about? I think so. I've heard tell. But anyways, here it is. So we'll revisit this in a bit once it's done setting up. I'll leave this here for quite a while. And yeah, we'll see that in a bit.
Muy está calor.